2024 BMW M8 Coupe. The 2024 BMW M8 Coupe isn't just a car, it's a paradox, a dance between savage and sophisticated. Let's peel back the layers and see if it truly reigns supreme among full-size coupes. With a starting price tag north of $140,000, the M8 demands a hefty chunk of your bank account. It's not just about bragging rights, though. This hefty sum buys you exclusivity, raw power, and a brand with a motorsport pedigree etched in its DNA. Compared to rivals like the Mercedes-AMG S63 Coupe or the Aston Martin Vantage, it sits comfortably in the upper echelon, whispering promises of untamed performance. Step inside, and the M8 splits personalities. The merino leather seats hug you like a tailored suit, the panoramic sunroof bathes you in sunlight, and the Bang & Olufsen sound system massages your ears. It's a luxurious cocoon, a testament to BMW's dedication to comfort and craftsmanship. But then you see the carbon fiber trim, the M-specific steering wheel, and the red start button throbbing like a heart. This isn't just a fancy cruiser, it's a predator waiting to be unleashed. And unleash it does. The twin turbocharged V8 erupts with 617 horsepower, catapulting you to 60 miles per hour in a neck-snapping 3 seconds. The 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission snaps through gears like a hungry shark, and the all-wheel drive claws at the tarmac with relentless grip. Corners become mere suggestions, devoured by the M8's insatiable appetite for apex hunting. 2023 Bentley Continental Coupe. The 2023 Bentley Continental GT isn't just a car, it's a rolling symphony of power, elegance, and handcrafted opulence. Imagine gliding down a moonlit coastal road, the wind whispering through your hair, if you opt for the convertible, as the twin turbocharged heart beneath you purrs a throaty lullaby. That's the Continental GT experience. Step inside the sumptuous cabin, and you're met with a symphony of leather, wood, and chrome. Every stitch, every curve, speaks of meticulous craftsmanship. The seats aren't just supportive, they're thrones, enveloping you in pillowy comfort. Ambient lighting bathes the interior in a warm glow, while the panoramic sunroof, coupe, or open sky, convertible, invites the world in. This isn't a cockpit, it's a private sanctuary. Under the hood, 2 engine options sing their siren songs. The standard 4.0-liter V8 unleashes a potent 542 horsepower, catapulting you to 60 miles per hour in a hair-raising 4.0 seconds. But if you crave the guttural roar of a 12-cylinder, the W12 engine beckons with its 650 horsepower fury, devouring the road in a mere 3.5 seconds. Both engines, paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, deliver power with silken smoothness, a testament to Bentley's engineering prowess. The Continental GT isn't just about brute force. It's a ballerina in a power suit, its all-wheel drive and adaptive suspension ensuring a ride that's as agile as it is comfortable. You can carve corners with surprising precision, the car responding to your every whim with telepathic obedience. Yet, on the highway, it settles into a serene glide, soaking up bumps and imperfections like a sponge. Of course, such exquisite artistry comes at a price. 2023 Dodge Challenger Coupe. The 2023 Dodge Challenger. It's more than just a full-size coupe, it's a fire-breathing, tire-slaying emblem of American muscle. Forget sleek Euro-style curves. The Challenger is a throwback to a bygone era, where hulking silhouettes and throaty V8s reigned supreme. So, how does it stack up against other full-size coupes? Buckle up, because the Challenger isn't for the faint of heart. Let's start with the sticker shock. The base Challenger SXT starts at around $34,000, which is relatively affordable for its size and segment. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. As you climb the trim ladder, power and performance soar, and so does the price tag. The range-topping SRT Super Stock, with its supercharged 807 horsepower, will set you back a cool $88,000. So, while the Challenger offers an attractive entry point, it's also capable of leaving your wallet lighter than a dragster's tires. Inside, the Challenger is a comfortable, albeit slightly dated, affair. Dodge leans heavily on retro muscle car cues, with chunky buttons, a thick-rimmed steering wheel, and supportive bucket seats. The optional 8.4-inch touchscreen is one of the largest in its class, but the infotainment system feels a bit clunky compared to more modern offerings. Now, we're talking the Challenger's true language. With a range of V6 and V8 engines, each growl hungrier than the last, this coupe is all about raw power. From the base 305 horsepower Pentastar V6 to the demonic 807 horsepower supercharged Hemi V8, the Challenger offers a smorgasbord of tire-shredding fun. But with great power comes great responsibility, and the Challenger demands a firm hand at the wheel. Its playful handling and hefty weight might intimidate some drivers, but for those who crave the visceral thrill of unbridled horsepower, the Challenger is a dream come true. 2024 BMW 4 Series Coupe. The 2024 BMW 4 Series Coupe isn't just a pretty face, it's a driving enthusiast's dream machine honed to a fine edge. It carves through corners with the precision of a surgeon's scalpel, leaving smiles in its wake. Forget bloated behemoths masquerading as coupes, the 4 Series is a focused athlete, built for the joy of the open road. Stepping into the 4 Series starts at a tempting $50,895 for the base 430i, making it one of the most affordable entries in the full-size coupe segment. But like any Bavarian beauty, options can quickly push the price north of $70,000. However, even at its peak, the 4 Series offers serious value compared to rivals like the svelte Audi A5 or the luxurious Mercedes-Benz C-Class Coupe. Slide into the driver's seat and you're greeted by a driver-centric cockpit that wraps around you like a well-tailored suit. BMW's iDrive 8 infotainment system takes center stage, a curved touchscreen brimming with cutting-edge tech and intuitive controls. Material quality is top-notch, with soft leathers and metallic accents creating a distinctly upscale ambience. The 4 Series comes in 2 flavors, Potent and Potenter. The standard 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder in the 430i packs 255 horsepower, enough to propel you to 60 miles per hour in a brisk 5.5 seconds. But for those craving a visceral thrill, the 3.0-liter turbocharged 6-cylinder in the M440i unleashes 382 horses, catapulting you to 60 in a neck-snapping 4.4 seconds. Both engines sing a sweet Bavarian tune, urging you to push the limits with their eager response and refined power delivery. But the 4 Series truly shines on the tarmac. Its sharp steering translates every twitch of your wrist into immediate cornering action, while the taut suspension keeps the car glued to the road like a determined gecko. The balance is exquisite, offering both playful agility and reassuring stability at speed. 2024 BMW 8 Series Coupe. The 2024 BMW 8 Series Coupe isn't just another luxury car, it's a statement. Its low-slung silhouette cuts through the wind like a sculptor's blade, its wide frame exuding an aura of untamed athleticism. It's not the biggest full-size coupe on the market, but it makes up for its size with sheer presence. Every curve, every sharp crease, speaks of a design language honed for both beauty and purpose. As you slip into the driver's seat, the interior envelops you in a cocoon of luxury. Premium leather wraps around every surface, the stitching as meticulous as a bespoke suit. The panoramic sunroof bathes the cabin in natural light, while the ambient lighting system paints the scene with customizable hues. Technology is seamlessly integrated, the infotainment system responding to your every touch and gesture with intuitive grace. It's a space designed to indulge your senses, a cockpit crafted for those who appreciate the finer things in life. But the 8 Series isn't just about aesthetics. Beneath its sculpted hood lies a heart that beats with the fury of a Bavarian storm. The base 3.0-liter turbocharged 6-cylinder thrums with 335 horsepower, propelling you from 0 to 60 in a neck-snapping 4.5 seconds. For those who crave the ultimate rush, the M850iX drive packs a 523 horsepower twin-turbo V8, transforming the road into your personal playground. Every corner becomes an invitation to dance, the chassis responding with laser-like precision to your every input. The steering is direct and communicative, the brakes sharp and confidence-inspiring. It's a car that begs to be pushed, rewarding your skill with an intoxicating blend of power and finesse. Of course, the 8 Series isn't without its compromises. The back seats are best suited for occasional use, and the trunk space is more generous than its rivals.